To show you 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, lumbar support, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.